Hi everyone. So I will be homeschooling and I'm like, okay, I need to get organized because obviously this is a mess and it's just like everything is dislocated, like everything's just a mess. And they have like good stuff here, but it's just like not very organized. So I'm like, okay, I need to do something because it's gonna be a pain to deal with all this. Like I got like the pencils there and then I got markers and pens and color pencils and everything. It's just I don't like this. So I am like, okay, I went to the store, Walmart, and I bought this for the papers. And it's nice because it comes out and there's three sections. And then I got these small, not huge, plastic containers, storage boxes. Not too big, just the small ones. And then I bought all this new stuff, school supplies. And I will be organizing and putting it all into the plastic storage boxes. And this is what I bought for the school. Like, I mean, there's other stuff that I didn't record, but this is just like, I guess, what I had on hand. So I bought a whole bunch of crayons and the chalk and color pencils, and I'm gonna all sort it out in different boxes. And then the glue stick, and then some post-its. I will use that for the homeschool papers, and then just like highlighters and painting. These papers pads is for paint. It's very good. And construction paper. And I have three girls, and they love to like cut out stuff and just draw. And also got these. It's pretty cool. You can draw on top and write on the bottom. This is also from Walmart, and it was actually a cool find. And just like um, regular white paper, which we use for like draft. And then this is a nice thing to have. It's a whiteboard, and with the dry eraser and the marker, you can write on the other side and draw on the other. And then I got myself this little calendar thing. I guess I'll be planning like what I'm gonna do each day. And I got also these little reusable dry uh, things where you put in the paper, you can draw with the mark and then erase. And also you can't forget to have this is like a must for kids. I'm having a kindergartner and a first grader, so they'll get to choose stickers, and I bought a whole bunch of different kinds. You can also buy little gifts for them, for doing a good job. They love rings, so I just went to the dollar store and just got some toys. And then also the paint. And of course, you need to get the washable paint. You don't want it all over your walls, but the washables are good. And then these are like cool little animal things they get to do. You stick the eyes, and then you can choose their nose and the mouth and the flowers and all that. So I thought it was cool, and they really wanted this princess one, of course. I see why. And they get to create a smile, the eyes, and a crown. And it's just a lot of fun, something to do in between. And also I got this like cool toys also for their gift. And also I got this storage. Also they're gonna have whatever they can access themselves. I don't need to go and take the whole storage box just to get some color pencils. They're gonna have their own, so that's what's gonna go into their boxes and in their backpack. So in one container I've prepared all the painting stuff and the brushes, and then in the next one, so I'm just gonna close that. And in the next, I'm gonna take all out the markers. That way it'll be easy access. All the markers. The next box has the crayons and the chalk. The next box has the glues. The next has some like a little bit of this, a little bit of that. The next one has colored pencils and pencil. And then I just have a little bit of the Play-Doh, but I have a whole bunch more that I'm gonna put in there. Just didn't record it. And then also like the toys, you can also, I will be putting more stuff in here. Like, you know, maybe whatever their favorite items are, or candy, you know. And this is what I organized their boxes. That way it's easy access for them, you know, the pencil, eraser. And on the other side, I like the double-sided because you have a lot more space and it stays a little more organized. And I got their scissors on that side and colored pencils on the other side, so they're ready to go. And also have the papers that's on top that can stay, and then the construction paper, colorful, and then just the white sheet of papers. And then I got the boards right there, so easy access. And I've put everything away, and how clean and how organized that looks. Very nice. And I will use those extra boxes down there to put all the books from homeschool and stuff. So that's how I'm getting ready for school, homeschooling. And I got this little box here right there for just like extras. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you want to see more of these videos, let me know and I'll be happy to record and show you and how I do my homeschool. Make sure you watch that video. I'm going to show you how I homeschool with Abeka, and I'll show you, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like.